Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Canada visa from the UK. So this will apply from anywhere, not just in the UK. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to the website of ircc.canada.ca and then search up your application visa. So here you want to apply for a visitor visa, which is a temporary resident visa, or a TRV. So you'll need to give your biometrics. So here in most cases, you need to give your fingerprints, photos, and to apply. So basically, you will need to find out who needs to give the biometrics and how the new application process works. So you can click on this in a new tab if you want to find out how that works. Basically, it will just redirect you to the same site. So all you have to do right here is apply online. So you can apply online or in paper if you're a visitor visas or a temporary resident visa or a super visa. This is for parents and grandparents, or a transit visa, I mean. So here all you have to do is apply online, and then let's just say we're gonna do a visitor visa or whatever applies to you. So here you must prepare documents and apply. So here you must apply the certain category right here while you're trying to apply for a visitor visa, of course. So to visit as a tourist, and then after you do this, just press continue. So here you'll have to gather the documents, as you can see, as listed. I'm not going to mention them all, but it's going to consist of passports and a lot of US permits. So here there's also documents that they don't support, as you can see. And then here you also have details to include, and here you have your use of representative, your IMM 5476 form, and here also your IMM 5645 form. And then here, to apply online, you just have to go to their portal and it will redirect you to their new portal right here in the right version, where you'll be able to apply basically. So there you go guys, that is how you actually apply for your Canada visa from the UK or anywhere in the world. Just depends on the categories that you can see here that they don't accept. If it's not accepted, unfortunately, you can't go to Canada. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.